What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the price of Bitcoin. What has happened? New yearly highs have been created here yesterday, getting the rejection. Now, this is something that we were expecting in a video a few days ago, getting that rejection. Are we going to get a much larger pullback right now as we have only dropped a few $100s? We're going to be taking a look at the liquidity here. Super simple, easy technical analysis here so you can understand to take the next possible trading setup if you're not in one already. Let's dive in straight into the video. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Quick reminder, Black Friday, we're going to maintain this deal for a few more days where you basically get 80% discount on the Legends Trading Masterclass, the modules that you need to learn how to trade like a professional, really simple to understand. Also, with this deal, you do get 1 month free in the Legends Trading community, where we do provide also great information. Of course, there are some steps here for that sign up. Okay, I'll be leaving the link in the description here. How to join here, the masterclass, you basically get 80% discount, and then you need to follow the steps for 1 month free in the Legends Trading community, where we do talk about here the more internal range, daily updates on the possible setups. We were very much ready for that leg up here to get round about $38,000 when we were trading round about $37,000 range. That was basically this move right over here, expecting that nice move here to the upside to actually get that swing failure pattern, the test of the highs here, and get that pullback of a few $100s that we're getting here. As you can see, this was mentioned on YouTube just a few days ago. We talk about major scenario, different scenarios that could play out. Of course, we need to have several trading plans and just be ready to execute. Now, diving in straight away here into the technical analysis. So yes, we did claim new yearly highs just yesterday. Is this going to be enough to get that big major pullback? Something to be aware of here, because we are still creating higher low structure. Are we going to claim it again and then get the proper pullback? We did have a bunch of liquidity at $38,000 range that was claimed here just yesterday. We can see here that massive liquidity that was at $38,000. This is why we were expecting that leg up here and then possibly the corrective move down to $34,000. Is this going to happen? Are we going to get another leg up? We just need to be ready, guys, because the biggest level here also is that $38,800 range, point of control of 2021, 2022. I just want the community, the people to be ready, because this is a very strong level. Point of control from 18 months of price action back in 2021 and 2022. Now, I don't know if this is going to be the top and we are going to start pulling back from this range and maybe come down to claim that liquidity at $34,000. There is a lot down here, guys. That is likely going to happen. The question is, of course, will we get another leg up here to claim the highs, possibly go to slightly higher levels and then get the major pullback, getting all of those early shorters out of the way, okay, liquidate them and then come down here with a very aggressive drop. We just need to be ready here for that scenario and be defensive. Now, like I said, keeping it simple, trading plan here is very simple. Claim the highs again, possibly. If the highs are rejected and we hit that point of control of 2021 and 2022, then we are looking here for the possible short scenario as we get beneath this level. Very similar to here. We claim this high, we're good for a short. As we reject, keep stop loss here. Really nice and tight, not extremely tight, of course, because if not, you're going to get wicked out potentially. However, if we do come back up to this high over here, I would be defensive from this range. Depending if you're day trading or you're scalping. If you're swing trading, of course, you might have a much wider stop loss. We could claim this high again, get rejected. That might be the one. Of course, getting into the exact top is very challenging. We need the highs to be taken and rejected to have an attempt. Manage your risk very well. Don't bet the farm, obviously. No financial advice. But this is how I am trying to detect the top. Claim the highs again, and then I'm looking for the next short if the price is going to be rejected. As we're above this high, not interested. As we are above this high, for example, if the price were to go up to the point of control, I am not interested in shorting. I need to see the level rejected. So more internally here, yeah, we might claim the high. If we reject, we're good for a short position. If we maintain above the high, then obviously not interested in the short till we actually claim that point of control. What are the strongest support levels that I do see available here on higher time frame? Well, for me, it's pretty obvious here, guys. Nothing has changed. I do see that pullback down to this zone, and it's going to be very challenging. I need to see, we're currently getting supported from value area high. If value area high is lost, I do think that we possibly could be coming down here to the point of control, value area low of this trading zone, and maintain higher low support to get into this long position when we do have that massive liquidity is going to be very challenging, as we have claimed the highs already, and this might be breaking through. We need to be extremely cautious. The kind of price action that we need here, guys, is extremely simple. We need to hit the level and possibly create a double bottom. Double bottoms, double tops, they are the best to get into a safe trade because you can manage your risk very, very well with your stop loss. We need a reaction, price consolidation, double bottom to confirm that this level is holding. We're still forming higher low structure. Then we can get into possible long, managing our risk very, very well. If this were to be the case, we come down to 36,600 range, 36,500. Start consolidating. We'll be posting a video update as well to see if this is safe enough to get into a trade, managing our risk very well to possibly come to the value area high or even create a new yearly high. So on higher time frames, it's pretty simple for me. Point of control, value area low of this range, higher low support. We need that reaction because we do know that there's a lot of liquidity at $34,000 range and it could break down. So we need the reaction. Double bottom is the safest bet here for the price to bounce. Remember, we're still creating higher lows, so there is a chance in this happening. On the other side, we claim the highs again. We're just ready for another short position if it is rejected. Not much more to be said. Of course, if you want those daily updates on internal scenarios, just like this one right over here where we do have a pump, another pump right there, corrective move here to the upside. You want to join the Legends trading community. This is the scenarios, the levels, Fibonacci of scenarios that have high probability. Of course, here on YouTube, we do not concentrate on lower time frames, more higher time frames. If you want lower time frames, you can join the Legends community. We've got that Black Friday deal, guys, here, which is basically claim here, get the masterclass where you do have the modules you can learn by yourself. This is basically all the tools that I use for my trading. And of course, if you purchase this, then you do have that 1 month access if you do sign up with a link in the description, okay, also on these exchanges. You just need to follow the steps, guys. Black Friday, 80% off. Take advantage of this. Not much more to be said. If you haven't checked out Bybit tutorial to learn how to trade on that exchange, you have the video right over here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.